you very much, Lord. I would like to say thank you for your designs. Malamang na-appreciate mo siya kasi design mo yun. Now, back to the question. Ano ang ating advokasya para sa isang napakagandang Pilipinas? Simple lang. Sa preamble ng aking advokasya. Eto ako, basang-basa. Walang masisilungan, walang kalalapit. It's a beautiful song, right? But remember in 2022, they performed for the Unity Rally. And yet we still appreciate the music. So the question is, do we separate the art from the artist? Do we separate the beauty? Gusto namin tayo.
Thank you. And medyo nag-iba yung Pilipino ni Tita later on. Let's go with Kat.
Maraming salamat po sa inyong katanungan. Ang akin pong advocacy ay ito. Huwag lamang po tayong umalam ng katotohanan gamit ang mata. Gamitin din po natin ang iba pang mga senses. Katulad po ng mga daliri ng pagmamadyong ay nasasalat kung ano na ang paparating. Dapat kaya nating i-heighten ng iba nating senses to know what is coming. That way, with every touch, we know the truth. Gaya po ng sinabi ni Jose Rizal sa El Filibusterismo chapter 3, page 24. Every day of our lives, wanna find you there, wanna hold on tight.
Thank you very much, Kat. And Florence, last but not least.
Thank you so much, Tito, and thank you so much for the tiles that you made. And they're beautiful indeed. Ang aking advocacy as Majong candidate ay ang pag-shuffle. Pag-shuffle ng lahat ng mga bagay para may chances ang bawat isa na kumuha ng pambato equally. Para walang tataan. At kahit nakatago ang mga kahit sa bawat members, may secrecy, but later on, we will show it and there will be transparency. Gaya nga ng sabi sa manual ng unang Mahjong na ginawa noong 1884, I'm down on my knees, I'm begging you please to come home. Mahjong Nataka.
Thank you very much. Now, ladies and gentlemen, we have come to the point where you need to